Lukas from FastCap, and I'm going to introduce you guys to the newest tool of our suite of Kaizen Foam tools, and this is the Kaizen Foam Spinner. It's going to come in a 2-pack. You have 2 sizes of spinner for different size of cutouts, and what it does is it flattens out the bottom of your foam perfectly. So I have a wrench here I want to cut into my foam, I tear it out, and sometimes I don't do a very good job. It comes out really rough and ugly on the inside of the cut there. So we of course have the foam scraper, which will help you flatten that out, but the foam scraper is a lot better for bigger areas like a hammer, where you can really reach in there and just flatten it across big layers. When you have a smaller shape like this and you want to get a nice flat bottom on it, it's difficult to get the scraper down in there and really scrape. So that is where the foam spinner comes in. So the foam spinner is designed to fit in any impact gun. Snaps right in. Take your foam spinner and be careful, it can be sharp if you get your finger on it when you're spinning it. So you just spin it full speed and you can get down in there and just perfectly, easily flatten out the bottom of that tear out. Once you spin it, you can come along, peel everything out that you spun off, and you end up with a perfectly nice flat bottom on your tear out. Really, really nice tool for bigger cutouts. You can use the larger one. It works great in complement with the scraper. The scraper leaves you a little bit of a rough finish like you see here. If you take your larger one on big areas, come back, you can just shave that fluffiness right off. Really quick, one pass. There you see right there, no more fluffiness. Up there where I didn't touch it, it's still fluffy from the scraper. So it works really well for that. It's gonna perfect the bottom of all your Kaizen foam cuts. You're gonna love this tool, Kaizen Foam Scraper from FastCap. And of course, if you're doing any Kaizen foam work, make sure to check out the entire suite of Kaizen foam tools here. We have the knife sled that goes along with the tri-blade. That'll give you perfectly straight, perfect sidewalls to your cutouts to fit your drawer every time. We have the Kaizen knife and Kaizen knife thin for doing all your detail cutout work. The foam scraper for flattening out bottoms. We have the Kaizen hot knife. That'll flatten out the bottom and make you perfect finger holes every time. And then we of course have our long nose markers. There's silver, gold, and black. And then the new Kaizen foam spinners.